Hi, ladies and gentlemen. Today, we're going to be playing on my old school series map, and this is HTG Farms. Let's get started. So, how's everybody doing today? I want to give a shout out to Southern Farming, Northwest Farming. They kind of have made me want to start my own, series for YouTube. So, let's get logged in here, if my computer will let me. Go to career. I like to play in Ray County, Missouri, and I'll give you a quick little mods list. So yes, I know I have 540 mods. I don't want to bore you with all those, so we're going to scroll through them fast. And I'll get back to you when it loads. And if anybody's heard about The Squad or Rentleman Buck, I have always loved watching them growing up, and would like to farm like them in real life someday, and we'll get there eventually. Currently, I help some friends farm, use a lot of 40/20s, and that's about it. So if my computer will decide to load, and let me know down in the comments if anybody's ever played on Ray County, Missouri. Got $428,000, and I think I have a $800,000 loan, so it's a little pricey. So I'm kind of running 1989 equipment in present day. So I have two brand new Ford trucks. And then I have the Rentleman Bucks Trans Am. Look at how good that looks. Okay, let's hop in the car and drive down to the field. Actually, never mind. Let's give you a farm tour real quick. Very car neutral. This is the main work truck I use. It's for the construction company I work for. So that's the work truck they gave me. And then if we run over here, got the big chopping silo. Don't chop yet. Got 12 row planter, International, 7000 John Deere planter. I believe this is a 950, if I'm right. Let me know. Run over this barn. Got the old 50/20 my grandpa gave me growing up. It kind of sits in the barn. He threw an M&W turbo kit on it. You look up in there, you see turbo. Let's not eat the tractor. I have 4755. Pretty sure I haven't used it much. Ran anhydrous on it. And then we got the Shepherd sprayer. It runs on my 4440 that you'll see here running on a set of wagons. But anyways, let's hop in the Pontiac and get going. Stay on the road, Hudson. Not the best driver in Farm Sim. When I play on the keyboard, it gets a little hard. Old dent side, it doesn't run. I think it needs a battery. Or does a jump start. Pardon why I pass a bunch of cars. Drop gear and go. John Deere dealer. Don't mind all them new fancy tractors. They're junk. Left 450 on the road. Park Trans Am down here and run down and hop in it. It's also getting late in the night, but we'll run back here and I'll show you everything. Let's drop down here. Don't do this with your Trans Am. I'm kind of a retard. Got one disc, another disc, International cultivator, junk grab wagon, running gear's kind of toast. got my other 5020 I bought when I was in high school. It's a nice one. My dad just helped me put a brand new Detroit in it. Got a fresh set of rubber on the back. 4 ribs on the front. It needs a wash though. Run up here. What we got going on? Gonna hop in the 4955 real quick. I guess it needs service soon, but I kind of need it right now, so we ain't got time for that. Guess I kind of left it running probably, which that's my fault. Get all these girls started up for the night. Now we'll shut that one off. Is case running? No. Good. Okay. Back here. Sorry if I'm running a little fast. It's because I have a super speed mod in. Just so I can actually run places fast. And of course, he's out here in the middle of the field. Run back. I ran track in high school. We'll stick with that. Really fast runner. Gonna have to run over a little bit of corn because farm sim AI workers are stupid. So run up over here into the field. Ooh, I hate running over corn, but a little hard not to when he's in the middle of the field. So let's run down here and check on him. I'm running a Gleaner M7 4-wheel drive. So it has rear power to the axle, and then I'm running a 6-row corn head. I was gonna run a 12-row, but I figured it was a little big for it. Run around the corn. Jump up here in the combine. You'll hear a little bit of a cold start. Maybe we'll need some corn. There we go. Put Jimmy in the combine. He'll finish all this. Hopefully. Get up here on my handy dandy map, not that button. Field 36, I believe it's a 30-acre field, which it's kind of way bigger than that, you can be honest. This Gleaner fills this grain cart up about halfway. I'll let him be a retard and do whatever the heck he wants. Run over just one more corn stalk. It won't work now. Come on, 4955. Cruising. Hit road gear in the field. It's John Deere powered. Soy boy keys. Them guys are interesting. LOL, I have a case that I own. I'm just messing around. And I'm thinking about buying a tractor in real life. What's everybody think I should buy? Think about a 1370 case, 4010 John Deere, putting a turbo on it, or 4020. Let me know down in the comments. While he's unloading, we're gonna go on a little jaunt up here. You're gonna hear me grab some gears in the 4440. Yeah. Holy traffic line. Start up the old big girl. start rolling through gears. Get the lights turned on and we'll head down to the co-op. Or I might actually set up an auger at the farm. I haven't decided yet. The only tractor I have though to put on the auger is my 5020, and I don't really want to do that. Because that's a bit overkill. So I got 2 full wagons. They're Parker 250s with 15-inch extension. So it probably can hold another 50 bushel. 4440 handles are like a champ. Let the cruise control and put the flashers on. And if I pop up my little handy pocket map, we own field 15, 16, 17, number 4, number 5, 19, 21, 20, and then everything like just about the center of the map, down where it shows all the vehicles and tractors. And then the dealer's up there too. And then co-op down here where all the blue and yellow dots are, if you've never seen Wright County, Missouri. Milk and old 4440. I got her turned up way too much, but she smokes a lot. Be nice if I had another person helping me. Too bad I don't have any other buddies. I play with another buddy. His on YouTube is Fry Pie Bandit. I know, that's funny. Mine used to be Swiss Roll Bandit, but I changed it back. His real farm name's Mulbarger Farms, and the reason mine's HTG Farms is Hudson Trent Gerhardt, and that would be named after my great-grandpa. And I just thought I was going to name my farm after my great-grandpa. So that's why it's called HTG Farms. I actually don't know what my profile picture is right now. I've been trying to make one with ChatGPT, but I think it might just be pictures of my other buddies, 4020 and 3020. That's what I did on my birthday. Went baled hay. Really enjoy it. Pull up in here into the co-op driveway. I don't know if the 4440 will be able to pull up this hill and road here. I hope it will. Quad range gets gummed up sometimes, so it's kind of hard to downshift. Come on, little girl. Downshift. There you go. Jug up the hill. And then pull forward. And then we'll dump the first wagon. Might take a minute, so we'll sit here and I guess enjoy the beautiful sunset down here at the co-op. They have quite the grain bin set up. Dang, 4440 lights are bright. That's co-op setup. And this wagon's about empty. Switch over to the back wagon and pull forward. And I wish you could store grain at the co-op, but you can only sell it, which kind of sucks. But let's actually go down here and show you my debt I got me in. So I have a loan of $440,000 I have to get paid off by hopefully next harvest. Yeah, I know I could pay it off here soon after this field, but that would leave me with no money going into planting season. And I kind of need money to purchase seed and stuff. So we are not going to do that. Maybe after I buy all my seeds and stuff, if I have enough money, I'll try to pay it off. But that's just not sitting on much money for the summer. I don't have hay equipment, and if I don't have any money, I can't buy hay equipment. So we'll come to that when that problem comes. Pull out of the co-op. Say goodbye to Gerald that's working tonight. And hit the road. I think in the morning I have to run down to Field 5 and pick up my disc. It's an Oliver. I've been running it on 4955. Hit pulls it good. It overheats sometimes, but I think I have to take it into service at the John Deere dealership because something's wrong with it. But I'm just gonna keep running it because I really need it because it's my big tractor. I know I could switch it out for the 47, but I really want a four-wheel drive in the grain cart. Oh, stop. Oh no, I think I'm gonna pull this setup into the farm and call it good for the night. Maybe drive my work truck down there and grab my Pontiac, because I don't like it sitting outside. So turn the turn signal on, slow down, downshift. Get going up the driveway. We're just going to swing it around this old corn crib, so it'll be ready to pull out in the morning. Come over here, hop in the work truck. Start her up and hit the road. Try not to die. Here's some crazy drivers. Turn on the road and get going. Take around this corner a little fast, but it'll be alright. Hit straight away and foot to the floor. The work truck workout. Ooh, missed the turn. We'll just be a hot rod. Run up here. Park this behind the Pontiac. Make sure I turn the lights off. Hop in the Pontiac and hit the road home. Let's go. Do a little bit of a pull. Come on, Trans Am. Don't wear out on me now. Ooh, that was a fast corner. downshift, lock back and forth, and go. Start slowing down. Farm entrance is right here. Grab second up the driveway, maybe third. And pull her up here in the driveway. Parker. Ooh, you know, remember to turn the lights off on this. That would be a bad day. Here's halfway to the morning combine. I'm hitting the hay. Back here, shut the bedroom door. I think I'm gonna try to sleep in until about 7:30 tomorrow. Dang, I really need to get that loan interest paid off. Killing my checkbook. But anyways, we gotta... Ooh, don't leave the front door open. Hot and 440. And get going for the morning. We'll grab gears just for fun here, cause I ain't got any hurry. Egg range, first gear, sure nobody's coming. That's all she wrote. Forever out till we get there. Come around this corner. I might stop and take the dead side up later. Take it to the shop. See what's going on with it. I parked it there and shut it off, and it's coming swapped, and it kind of just died and won't start up. I don't know if the battery died or what happened. See your rich neighbor. Get some real equipment, dude. Get your corn off, too. Speed limit's 55. We're doing about 30 under. Got a car behind us. Pull off to the side. So they can go by. Drop down the C range. They go by. Pull up on the road carefully. Fourth. The third. Fourth. That's all she wrote. Don't know it's only 7:30 in the morning. Just hit the cruise control and cruise down. Back down to this field, I got some of this tillage done on these little fields, 43, 42, 30, and 39. And that's about it. And I have a big field that I'm working on right now. Missed the driveway a little early. Oh my gosh, Hudson, stay on the road. Stay on the road. I gotta call it good at 8 o'clock. I gotta run to a meeting real quick, and I think I'll probably be back later today or tomorrow. up here. Hopefully the 4955 still running. Shut that off. Ooh, that leaves the lights on. Dang it, it really needs service now. That's a problem. That's my fault, but... So anyways, Conrun's gonna have to wait till later. I gotta run to my meeting a little early, so... There's it for today. Talk to you guys later. Bye.